Welcome folks, Flipknot here. Today, getting back on the Sportster. That front tire is gonna be on that thing by the end of the day, come hell or high water at this point. There's no reason why it's not sitting on its own 2 feet today. No reason. I'm making my way back up to MTW. Gonna go hang out with Kyle. He's gonna give me a hand as always. Today, no power tools. 0. Maybe 1. 0. We'll figure it out. Not the point. So before we make it up there, first thing I want to do is something I need to start doing more often is say thank you to all my Patreons. With your contributions, been making it a lot easier to make this build happen a little bit faster. So thank you all. I really appreciate it. Been having a lot of people reach out for things that they have left over in their garages that they don't need that I might need, and to all of you again, thank you. I got a set of mini apes coming, which is super rad, which poses its own set of difficulties but makes for a great video, because now I'm gonna have to rewire all of the controls on the Sportster. I'm actually kind of excited about it. I've never done it before. I mean, I've soldered. Shelby's actually taught me how to properly solder. And I mean, how hard can it be? You put the purple with the purple, you put them, you know. So, it shouldn't be that difficult, but there's a first time for everything, and that's kind of the fun of all this for me right now. My gas gauge says I have 10 miles left, and I am way too lazy to stop to get gas right now. Knowing me, it might bite me in the butt. It has before, it will again. I just hope it's not today. And tools that we broke.
Good shit.
Alright, we're back up here at the MTW garage, getting everything I need set up and ready to go. First thing I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna take this Torx bolt that we broke last week, sand it down, because hey, it's still got life, it's still good. So let's get that into a working tool again and pick up from there. Well, it took a little bit too much off, but should still work. Let's get this rotor on and get this bike on its own 2 legs. Alright, let's get this goddamn rotor on and do this. No mechanic, but I've always been told, don't ever go in a circle, jump around. So,
hello, weirdo.
hey buddy.
Did you break it yet?
It's one small step for an idiot.
If you ain't breaking it, you ain't doing it right.
Dang it. as I was packing up to get ready to go back and call it a day, I just couldn't get it out of my head the fact that I can do more. I'm waiting for a set of apes coming from a subscriber who said he's taking them off his bike and I could have them, so thank you. But while I wait for those, I have handlebars, I have risers, I have a lot that I can get done for now, which quite honestly can get me pretty much back on the road for the most part if I just get it done now. Since I don't have replacement turn circle with it, I'm just gonna disconnect it, and when I get new ones, we'll rewire it and put them back on. For now, there's nothing I can do about this, so I'm gonna take off and just follow it down the wire harness. A little more difficult than I thought it would be, but it's done. That's good. Moving back onto the handlebars. Now I'm officially done with this thing for today. Got a lot done. Got some handlebars mocked up. Got the levers back on. Ooh, that's even got some grip on it. I mean, slap a tank on there and it looks like a motorcycle again. A few of the problems I found is that my old Speedo doesn't fit the new housing. The old housing doesn't fit the risers. I gotta figure out what to do about that. If anybody's got any ideas, you let me know down there because I need some help. It appears that the old brake caliper fits perfectly fine. It's even got some grip on it. Let's figure out about the Speedo. Figure out about the control mount. And other than that, I mean, for the most part, I'm gonna call it a freaking day. You call it a God damn it, I hate not cursing on camera.
A heck dang shooting disgusting
dang
Friday.
French fried eggs. I got a undone today. I'm gonna call it as a win. If you guys enjoy these videos, don't forget about my Patreon. Put a link down to it in my descriptions. It helps me make these builds. It helps me buy all the parts for it. It helps make Kyle a happier boy. We buy him beer. Yes, some of your money does go to alcohol. It helps us do this. So yeah, Patreon. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, I'll catch you all in the next one.